turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the logo on the radiator grille, insert the key to release and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a socket wrench, a small extender and a Torx T20 socket, unscrew the 6 screws on the air filter flange. Lift the cover of the flange, then remove the filter. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Put the new filter in place. Make sure you put it in the right way up. Ensure that the rubber washer is correctly placed in its housing. This will make it possible to put the cover back on more easily. Put the cover back on. While holding the cover, put the 6 screws in place and tighten them using the socket wrench, the small extender and the Torx T20 socket. Make sure you don't tighten it too much, you could damage the plastic. Operation completed.